So what's going on, everybody? My name's Chris. I created this channel to bring exposure to my woodworking business that I just started up. I've done a lot of research. I spent a lot of hours researching, how to start a business. What technique do I do? What technique do I try? What do I want to do? I have quite a few different products that I want to start mass producing here in the short term, just to get started, just to get my name put out there. And technically, that's really rule number one, is to get your name out there. I haven't really done a very good job up to this point, but I've learned from my mistakes that I've made so far. And my number one goal, it's a long-term goal, but it's still my number one goal. I at least want to have a foundation built for my children. I want to be able to pass this on to my children if this is the route they decide they want to take in life. If it's not, that's fine. That's cool with me. They'll make their own decisions, and whatever they decide to do, I wish them the best. But in the beginning, I'm going to showcase some of my scroll saw work. I have some bowls that I want to make and some scroll saw boxes that I want to make, and those are going to be my two main items that I'm offering right now. But I do custom furniture builds. I do your basic run-to-the-mill furniture builds, and everything in between. So one of the reasons why I created this channel was to give some sort of guidance so people can learn from the mistakes that I make during this whole process, and let it be a tutorial, I guess, for somebody who is debating whether or not this is what they want to do. So on that note, hit that like button, share, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so when I upload a video, you can get right to it. And wish me luck. Thank you, everybody.